Thank you for tuning in. This is Learn with Moji. In case you are seeing my face for the first time, and if you are a returning subscribers, you are part of the family. You are so dear to me. I love you. Thank you for tuning in all the time. And if this is the first time you are seeing my face, this is a child-friendly channel. We do so many educative things. And today we are in our Ugo mathematics class. We are in text 15. I've done text 2 to text 14, so in case you need to go back to my previous videos, please do well to do that. If you are a parent, you are seeing this, please let's share it to our little champions and our little VCs. And if you are a child seeing this, please sit right and study and let's learn together. If this is the first time you are seeing my face, we have some rules in this channel, and if you are in the mathematics class, we don't use calculator. So we have to flatten our answers and get the final answer. So when we are in the mathematics class now, I will take the question. I will be audible enough in reading out the questions in case we don't have the Go textbook. And after solving it, I will interpret it. I will solve it to some reasonable extent before giving it out for you to finish it and put the answer in the comment section. But please don't forget, don't let us use calculator. I love you, so let's jump straight into the mathematics class. Question says, express 7,900 in words. A says 719, which is wrong. 70,019, which is wrong. 719, which is wrong. And the D says 7,019. Number 2, add 12,125, 170, 55, and 90. So we have to add this together. Let me just write out the question. You will do it and give me the answer in the comment section. 170, 55, and 9. So we are told to add that. So I'll be expecting the answer in the comment section. Number 3 says, subtract 5.899 from 7.3. Number 3, we have 7.3 is bigger. So we have 5.899. So we have to subtract this. So we can put 0 here. So I will appreciate it if I can get the answer in the comment section. Number 4 says, express 90 over 135 in its simplest form. We have done many of these in the previous video, so we can do well to check those videos out. So we have 90 over 135. So what do we do? You keep cutting till you can't cut again. So let's use 5 first. 5 in 9, that is 1, remainder 4. 5 in 40, that is 8. 5 in 13, that is 2, remainder 3. 5 in 35, that is 7. So you can do the cutting. 3 can still go. 3 can go in 18. 3 can go in 27. So I don't have to finish it. I know I'm working with smart kids. Number 5 says, find the HCF of 26, 65, and 91. So let's write it. 26, 65, and 91. So what can go here? 1 can go, 2 can go, 13 can go, and 26 can go. For the 65, 1 can go, 2 cannot go, 5 can go, 13 can go, and 65. For 91, 1 can go, 7 can go, 13 can go, and 91. So the highest common factor here is what? We have 1 and we have 13, but we are told to go for the highest common, which is 13. So our option in number 5 is B. So now to number 6 question. You have to simplify 3 over 5 multiplied by 5 over 6 plus 1 over 2. So let's undo the ones in the bracket first before adding it together. We have number 6, 3 over 5 multiplied by 5/6. Then you have to add it with half, 1/2. So let's take 5 can cut 5. 3 here 1, 3 here 2. So we have 1/2. Then plus the 1/2, that is obviously 1. So now to number 7 question. You are to express 209 in Roman numeral. 100 is C, another 100 is C, and 9 is 1 away from X, which is 10, and that gives us, so 209, that will be CC, 1, that is 9. So our answer there is 6 is IC. Let me see where we have it as option C. So number 8, find square root of 16/49. I have this kind of question in my short videos, so you can do well to check it out too. We have 16/49. The square root of 16 is 4. Here is 7. So our answer there is 4/7. Number 9. Number 9 says, find the missing number in the following sum. So we have 56, 75, we have 48, something missing here, we have 9, and our answer is what? 786. So what are we going to do to get the missing number? What you have to do is take away this from this, and that is 5675 minus 786. Let's take one, borrow here 15. 6 away from 15, that is 9. We have 6 left. Take 1, that is 16. 8 away from 16, that is 8. We have 5 here, borrow 1 here, 15. 7 away from 5, that is 8. Then we have 4 here. So obviously we have 4, 8. It is this 8 that is missing. So our answer there is option B. So now to our number 10th question. Of 141 pupils in primary 6 of a school, 1/3 are boys. How many are girls? We are told 1/3 of 141. So when we get the 1/3 of 141, we take it away from 141. Whatever answer we have left is the number of the girls. So we have number 10, 1/3 of, sorry, 1/3 of 141, that is for the boys. So 3 here 1, 3 in 14, that is 4. Going down 2, 3 in 21, 3 in 21, that is 7. So boys now, we have 47 as boys. So what are we going to do? It will now be 141 minus 47. Please, I will appreciate it if I can get that answer in the comment section. So now to number 11. Find the value of 1/3 of 2 naira 10 kobo plus 1/5 of 3 naira 50 kobo plus 1/6 of 7 naira 20 kobo. This thing was given to us in naira and kobo. So let's convert it to 1 unit. Let's use kobo. So that 2 naira 10 kobo will be 210. 3 naira 50 kobo will be 350. And 7 naira 2 kobo will be 720. So let's do that. Number 11. 1/3 of 210. 1/3 of 210. We are adding the values together. 1/5 of 350 kobo. It is now kobo, no more naira. And 1/6 of 720. So 3 here 1, 3 in 21, that is 7. So here we have 70 kobo. 5 here 1, 5 in 35, that is 7. Here we have 70 kobo. 7 times 5 is 35. 6 here 1, 6 in 72, that is 12. 6 times 12 is 72. So we have 20. So let's add it together. 14, 15, 16. So we have 2 naira 60 kobo in case we are converting it. Number 12. Number 12 says express 12 gram as a decimal of 1 kg, 1 kilogram. 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So that would be 12 over 1000. Please let me have the answer in the comment section. Number 13. Number 13 says if 6 men can dig a ditch in 4 days, how many men can dig the same ditch in 3 days? I've been treating this kind of question in my previous videos. Please do well to check it. We are told that 6 men in 4 days, and we are asked that how many days will it take. So 6 times 4, that is 24 divided by 3. So let me have that in the comment section. Number 14. Number 14 says, what are the prime factor of 195? 100 and prime factor of 195. So 195, we have 1, we have 3, we have 5, that can go, and we have 13. 13 can go in 19, yes, we have 13. 3 can go here, yes. So that is the answer there. Number 15. Given that Q minus 18 is equal to 72, what is the value of Q? We have been solving this kind of question. It has always been a repeated question. So we are giving our question in minus. So because we are crossing it, it turns to plus. We have Q minus 18 is equal to 72. So that will be 72 plus 18. 8 plus 2, that is 10. We are holding 1. 7 plus 1, 8 plus that is 9. So our Q is 90. 90 minus 18 will give us 72. And in case there is any number you will want me to talk about, please do well to put it in the comment section. Learn with Moji is here for you. Number 16 question is a simple interest question which we have been treating over and over again. 16 question. After how many years will 120 naira yield 12 naira interest at 4%? How many years will 120 naira yield 12 naira interest at 4% per annum in simple interest? So here we are looking for how many years, that is time. So we are looking for time, and our formula for time is 100 times interest over principal times rate. So we have 100 as our constant. The interest we are talking about is 12 naira. The principal is the original money, which is 120, and we have the rate to be 4%. So we have this. This 0 can take care of this 0. This 12 can take care of this 12. So we have 10 over 4, and that is 2.5 years. That's 2.5 years. Do we have it there? We have it as option D. So now to number 17 question. Hours, minutes, and seconds. We have 5 hours, 18 minutes, 32 seconds minus 3 hours, 18 minutes, 46 seconds. So we have hours, we have minutes, and we have seconds. So we have 5 here, 3 here, we have 18 here, we have 18 here, we have 32 here, and we have 46. So we have to take it away, but we shouldn't forget our principle, our simple principle in mathematics. 60 seconds make 1 minute. It's not possible for us to take 42 away from 30, 46 away from 32. So when we go to minutes to borrow 1, that 1 minute we are borrowing returns to 60 seconds. So this will be plus 60, and that will be 92. So we have, so that means we will be having 92 minus 46. This one we are having 17 left. Let's come to hour and borrow 1 hour. The 1 hour we are borrowing, when it gets to minutes, it will be 60 minutes. So we are having 17 there. 17 plus 60, 7. So we have 77, and say here we have 4, we have 3. So this is what we'll be working with now. I hope you understand what we have just done. Please, in case there is any question in that, very simple. In case there is any question you want me to talk about, please do well to put it in the comment section. So here, let's borrow 1 to this place. That will give us 6. Here we have 8 left. That will give us 4. Here we have 17. 8 away from 17. Here we have 6. That will be 5. And this will be 1. So our answer there is 1 hour, 59 minutes, 46 seconds. So that's leading us to number 18. Number 18 says, a sum of money was shared between Joel and Ngozi in the ratio 5:3. We have Joel, we have Ngozi, and we are told is in ratio 5:3. And if Joel's share was 14 naira, this is 14 naira, and this is unknown. What do we have to do? Let's just cross multiply. That will be 40 times 3 is equal to 5 times x. 40 times 3 is 120, which is equal to 5x. X is equal to 120 divided by 5. 5 here, 5 here, 2, remainder 2. 5 in 20, that is 4. So we have 24 as our answer there. So they said, how much was the original sum of the money? We have gotten Ngozi to be 24. So that will be 40 plus the 24, which is 4 years. So the original money will be 64 naira, which is option B. So straight up to number 18, express the LCM of 50, 18, and 32. So 50 is what? 50 can be 5 times 10. This 10 you can still cut it. That will be 5 times, no, 50 is, that will be 2 times 5. 18 will be 2 times 9. You can still cut the 9. 2 times 3 times 3. And 32 will be 2 times 16. You can still cut the 16. That will be 2 times 4 times 4. You can still cut the 4. That will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And there is a way you can cross-check to know you get it. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 2 is 32. So now we are to express it in LCM. So after I've done this, express this in LCM, and let me have the answer in the comment section. Number 20 says, how many 16 kobo stamps can be brought from 3 naira and 3 kobo? 3 naira and 3 kobo. In my usual way, let's have our money in the same unit. So 3 naira and 3 kobo will become 303. So this is 16. So 16 here is 1. 1 times 16 is 16. We have 14 left. You bring down the 3. 16 in 143, that is 8. 8 times 16, that is 128. You have 5, you have 1. 16 in 15, not possible, so you add the 0. 16 in 150, that is 9. And that gives us 144. So we have 6 left. So let's leave it like this. The question is, how many stamps can we buy? If we should 18.9, if you approximate it to a whole number, that would be 8. That would be 19. So we'll be able to buy 19 stamps. Number 21. If 140 oranges in a basket, 42 of them were bad, what percentage of the oranges were good? We are told 42 were bad from 140, so you undo that first. Whatever answer you get is going to be divided by 140 multiplied by 100. So 140 minus 42, that is equal to 98. So it's going to be 98 over 140. You multiply it by 100. This is what can take care of this. So we have 98 over 40 times 10. So do this and let me have the answer in the comments section. Number 22. What is the sum of 2 kg, 840 gram, 9 kg, 460 gram, and 920? Let's have all of them in the same unit. 2 kg is multiplied by 1000, which is 2000. We have 840 gram. We have 9000 because 9 kg is, we have 460, and we have 920 gram. So we have to, this is 0, this is 12, we are holding 1, 10, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, we are holding 2, and this will be 13. So we have this as gram. Do we have our answer as, no, we have it as kg. So this will be 13220 divided by 1000, which is going to give us 13.22 kg. So now to number 23 question. What digit does 4 represent in 7324? Number 23. 7324. What digit does this represent? The 4. That is 4 units. Number 24. John went to the market with 5 naira. She bought 12 10 kobo stamps. That 5 naira, you are converting it to kobo, that will be 500 kobo. And we are told that he bought 12 of 10 naira stamps, 18 5 kobo stamp, 18 5 kobo stamp, and 35 3 kobo, 35 3 kobo stamp. So the question, how much change did she brought home? This is the 120 kobo. 5 times 8, 40. We are holding 4. That is 90 kobo. 35 times, that is 15. We are holding 1, 9, 10. So this is 5, 10, 11. So you have spent, so what we are doing now is 500 minus 315 kobo. So I think you should do that, and let me have the answer in the comments. So now to number 25 question. A radio set costing 48 naira was sold for 60 kobo. What was the percentage gain? To get the percentage gain, that will be selling price minus the cost price. Whatever answer you get, you will divide it by the costing price, which is 48, and multiply it by 100. Number 25. For percentage is going to be selling price minus cost price. The selling price was sold for 60 naira minus 48, that is equal to 12 naira, and that will be 12 over 48 multiplied by 100. Okay, 12 here 1, 12 here is 4. So we have 1 over 4 multiplied by 100, and that is 25%. So now we are going to number 26. Let me clean up the board. The average weight of 6 pupils in a class is 16.8 kg. If the total weight of 4 of them is 70 kg, what is the average weight of each of the remaining 2, assuming both have equal weight? We are told that the 16.8 is for 6 children. So we are going to multiply that by 6. Whatever answer we get, you take it away from 70 kg that we have already known, and the final answer we get will be divided by 2, because we assume that the 2 remaining pupils have the same weight. So, number 26. So the total weight of 6 people is equal to average weight multiplied by the weight of pupils. So we have number 26. So that will be 16.8 multiplied by 6, and that is 100.8. So that will be 100.8 minus 70, which is equal to 30.8. 30.8 divided by 2, and that will be 15.5. 4. So the weight of each of them will be 15.4 kg. Number 27. Find the area of carpet which covers the floor of a room 16 meters long, 11 meters wide, and 9 meters high. The area is length times width. So area is equal to length times width. And we are told that the length is 16 and the width is 11. So let's multiply this and have the answer in the comment section. Number 28. Which of the following fraction is the largest? We have 1/2. There are two ways of going about it. 1/2. We have 2/5, 2/5, 3/4, 1/3/8, and 1/3. So we can use either the LCM of the fraction. The last class we used the LCM. So let's try and use the fraction today. Can it go? No. Borrow 1, that is 5. And this is 5, this is 2. Can it go? No. Borrow, making 20, that is 4. So this is 4, this is 3. Can it go? No. Borrow 4 in 30, that is 7. And so the last one, we have 3/8. Can it go? No. 8 in 30, that is 3. Let's do it like that. And we have 3/1. Can it go? No. In 10, 9. So we are told now that we should look for 3 in 10, that is 3. So which of them is the 20? Yes. So which of them is the highest? We have 0.7. 0.7, which is equal to 3/4. So that is the answer there. Number 29. I spent 1/32 of my income on housing, 1/4 of it on food, and 1/8 on transport. What fraction of my income did I have left? All those fractions, let's add it together and take it away from 1. So we have 7/23 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. So when we find the LCM here, that would be 32. We have 32. So that would be 32 here 1. So that is 7 plus here is 8 and here is 4. So when we add this together, 8, 7 and 4, that is 19/32. So we will have 1 minus 19/32. So the LCM here is 32 and that is 32 here 1, 19. So 32 minus this, 32 minus 19/32. That would be 13/32. So the remaining fraction is 13/30. Number 30 says, given that 8 kilometers is equal to 5 miles, how many kilometers to the nearest whole number are there in 43 meters? We are told, number 30, we are told that 8 kilometers is equal to 5 miles. And the question now is, how many kilometers will be equal to 48 miles? So let's cross multiply. We have 8 times 48 is equal to 5 times x. 8 times 48, that is 344. 344 is equal to 5x. X is equal to 344 divided by 5. So do well to put the answer in the comment section. Number 31. Given that 5 divided by p is equal to 10, what is the value of p? Number 31. 5 divided by p is equal to 10. So that is going to be 5 divided by 10, which is equal to 1/2. So our p value is 1/2. Number 32. Express the result of 11. We have 11. 1/10, that is 0.1. 11/100, that is 0.11. And we have 9/1000, that is 0.009. So we have to find the value. This is 9, 1, 2, 1, 1. So the answer is 11.219. Number 33, we are given a diagram here So let me quickly draw it. 33, we have this. This is 12 centimeter AC. This is B, and this is 7 centimeter. So we are to what? In the diagram below, triangle ABC has the height of 7 centimeter and a base of 12 centimeter. Find the area 7 centimeters square. So the formula there is half base times height. Half base times height. So that would be, our base there is what? And our height is 7. 2 here 1, 2 here 6. So we have 6 times 7. Do well to put it in the comment section. Number 44 says, how many minutes are there between 3 p.m. to 7 p.m.? Number 34, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. So between 3 and 7, that is 4 hours. So we are converting 4 hours times 60. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 3, that is 24. So our answer there is 240 minutes. So between 4 hours, we have 240. This is 4. We have 240. So now to number 35 question. Let me leave 35. Now to number 36 question. The distance between Odu, Iwu, and Ilogbo is 180 kilometers. Soji took 2 hours to cover the distance by motorcycle. What was his speed? So when we are looking for speed, it is distance over time. So distance over time, and we are told the distance is 180, the time is 2. So this is 90 kilometers per hour. Number 36. What is the volume of a box 18 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 10 centimeter height? The volume is, the formula is W. So we are told that this is 18, this is 15, and this is 10. So we multiply it together and we have our answer in centimeter cube. Number 38, convert 3/8 to decimal. It is something we have done like 28. 3/8 to decimal. So we have our 8 here, we have our 3 here. Can 8 goes in 3? Not possible. 8 in 30, that is 3. 3 times 8, that is 24. 24, we are having 6 left. So add the 0 to that 6. So we continue it like that till you get the final answer. With the knowledge of number 28, you should be able to do that conveniently. Number 39, if a pupil had score of 60%, how many marks out of 120 did he obtain? That will be 60 over, any number that carries the percent carries the over 100. You multiply it by 120. This can, so we have 60 over 100 multiplied by 120. So this can take care of this. Then you continue like that until you get your final answer. Number 40th question. How many liters of water can a water tank 8 centimeter by 6 centimeter by 3 centimeter hold? And we are to leave our 1000 centimeter is equal to 1 liter. So when we get our answer, you multiply it by 1000. With the help of what we have done a question like this. I think it's between the 1 to 25. So what we will do here is we multiply 8, multiply by 6, multiply by 3. Whatever answer you get, then you multiply it by 1000. Number 41 question. A farmer was given a loan of 1,600 naira for poultry work from a bank at the rate of 2.5% interest per annum. How much will he pay back to the bank at the end of 5 years? After we have gotten the interest, we are adding it to the principal to get how much he will pay the bank. What is our formula for simple interest? That is principal times rate times time over 100. The principal is the original money, which is 1/6. The rate is 2.5 to 1 over. The time is 5 years over. So to convert this is 1/6. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5/2. times 5 over 100. So that will be 1600 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 over 100 times the 2. This can take care of this. 2 here 1, 2 here 8. So we have 8 times 5 times 5. 8 times 5, that is 40. 40 times that is 200. So it will be the interest plus the principal, which is going to be 200 plus 16, which is equal to 18. In case there is any question on that, please let me know in the comment section. Number 42. A lorry used diesel oil at the rate of 16 km per litre. If diesel oil costs 15 kobo per litre, how much will be spent on diesel oil for a journey of 48 km? We are told to use 16 km for 15 kobo. That is from the question. Now 480 km. How many is? We have done a question like this. The first thing you will do is to cross multiply. That will be 480 multiplied by 15 is equal to 16 multiplied by s. So 48 multiplied by 16, that is 7200, is equal to 16s. 7200 divided by 16, x is equal to. So whatever answer you get is your final answer. Number 43 question. Okay, there is a graph here there is a diagram here that we have to use, so let's leave that. Number 44 question. What is 15% of 15 naira? 15 over 100 multiplied by 15. 5 here is 3, 5 here is 20. So we have 3 times 15 over 20. 3 times 50, that is 45 over 20. So how many times with 20 goes in 45? Do that and let me have the answer in the comment section. Number 45 says, if there are 3 scores, a score is 20, 2 dozen, a dozen is 12, and 5 butterflies in a garden. How many butterflies are there all together? Number 45, a score is 20, so we have 3 scores. That is equal to 60. We have 2 dozen. That is equal to 24. And we have 5 butterflies. That is equal to 5. So this is 9. This is 8. So we have 89, which is option C. Number 46 question. If Ado left home for school at 7:25, number 46, 7:25, and he arrived at 8:05. Between 7:25 and 8, that is 35 minutes. To 8 o'clock, that is 35 minutes. So that will be 35 minutes plus 5 seconds plus 5 minutes, which is equal to 40 minutes. So our answer there is number 47. How many centimeters are there in 2.16 meter? That will be 2.16 meter, multiply it by 100, and you get your number 48. A truck tank was 3/5 full of petrol. 21 liters was added and it is now 5/6 full. How many liters of petrol can the tank hold? What we will do first, that will be 5/6 minus 3/5. Let's do it. 5/6 minus 3/5. So let's find the LCM of that is 30. 6 in 30, that is 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 in 30, that is 6. 6 times 3, that is 18. So 25 minus 18, that is 7. So we have 7/30. That is not our final answer. So it will be 7/30 times the liter that we don't know, which is 21 liters. When we cross multiply this, that will be 7 multiply will be 21 multiplied by 30. 21 multiplied by 30, that is 630. So XL is going to be 630 divided by 7. So whatever answer you get is your final answer. Now to number 49, we are given a diagram here. Let me look at the question. They said find the perimeter of the diagram. Because all the sides of the diagram are given, so we add them together. Let me quickly. So we have this. We have 6 here. We have 2 here. It carries centimeter anyway. We have 3 here. 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 And we have 2 and 7. So what we do now is to add all of them together. So whatever answer is your final answer in that question. And this has bring us to the last question of this text 15. We are told to divide 56.91 by 2.3. Number 50, we have 56.91 by 2.3. So this is what we will do. Let's take away the points. That will be 56.91. There is not going to be point again. Divide it by 100 and 23 divided by 10. So for us to change it to multiplication, it will be 10 divided by 23. 10 here 1, 10 here 10. So 23 here 1, 23 in 15. That is 247.7. So we have 24 divided by 10, and that will give us 24.743. So this has brought us to the last question. So if you have enjoyed this level and you are yet to subscribe, please do. I love you. See you in the next class.